Hello everyone. My name is Isha Tilotiya, and today we are going to learn the ensemble learning in machine learning. It's nothing but the superpower of a machine learning. So, let's get started. Introduction in ensemble learning. We will see the proper definition of an ensemble learning. Ensemble learning is a technique that merges the predictions from various models. So basically I am not interested in theory part. So I will explain you with my examples. Suppose you have taken the one expert and ask him to predict which party is going to win in this era or in the future. So it is a normal prediction. When we use the ensemble learning, where we are going to get the bunch of an experts, like you have asked the 4 experts and you have asked, okay, you all have to predict with your own algorithm. Like they will be using their own algorithm, like KNN algorithm and that tree algorithm. All that algorithm they are using, like different algorithm they are using, and with that different algorithm they are predicting. Merging that prediction and getting the proper and accurate prediction is nothing but the ensemble learning. So that is it. In the definition also it says that's only. I don't interest in the theory part, so sorry for that, but you can take a screenshot of it. I hope you understand this. So let's see the purpose of an ensemble learning. Ensemble learning, as I told you, when you are using one expert for a prediction, it is less accurate. That one prediction can be the wrong prediction also, but when we are using the 4 prediction at a time, that is the most accurate one. So the purpose of ensemble learning seems to be visible in our eyes only. So accuracy is more in the ensemble learning. So we are using the ensemble learning in the most of the cases in the models. So why to use an ensemble learning? So basically I have told you, when you are using the one expert versus 4 experts, always 4 experts gonna win. So we are taking an example. Suppose a single weatherman says that it will rain, and other one is saying it will be sunny, and third one is saying it will be snow. The ensemble learning says bring an umbrella and glasses just in case. So basically ensemble learning suggests the merge prediction of an experts to be get an greater performance and the greater predictions. So it also reduces the bias and variance. What is meant by bias? For example, imagine you are guessing someone's age just by their shoe size. It is too simplest and it can be wrong at the most of the time. So we can't use it as a predictive one. And variance is nothing but suppose you memorizing every details of your maths book and you got an ace on that one test, okay, but struggling with a new test when someone has asked you the similar one with a different question. That is an high variance. That is nothing but high variance, nothing but the overfitting. So ensemble learning reduces this. So ensemble learning also having the prediction stability. Prediction stability means like, suppose you train a model on Monday and the model predicts an cat. Second, you train a model on Tuesday and then he was predicting a dog. So it is an unstable prediction of a model. It should not be happen. It is not good science. So our next is types of ensemble methods. Okay, so first type is baggy. Baggy is nothing but you are giving each of the experts. Suppose you are giving an data to each of the experts, but you are changing the data for each one. to get a very predictive answer. So for example, you're giving a multiple student a slightly different version of an test to get an average score. So it is an baggy. So our next type is boosting. Boosting is nothing but it's like an suppose like an for example, like a student is correcting an each quiz after an every class, like until it gets the final. So boosting performs an it in the each model. It's learned from the previous mistakes. Like for example, first expert is saying yes, second is saying no, third is saying yes. So that no part is get boosted by the first and second algorithm. So that is a boosting. So our next type is stacking. Stacking is nothing but for example, like suppose we have taken the 4 experts. Okay, we have taken these 4 experts and we will be going to take and one super expert to listen these all the models. Like all the experts are giving their predictions to that super expert, and that super expert will be listening all of them and given final call of a prediction. So that is in stacking. So our next type is voting. Voting is nothing but it is a demonstrative ensemble learning. Like all the models were going to vote for a final decision and the majority wins. It is like a simple, fair and surprising effectively. So now next, there are some advantages and limitations for ensemble learning. So we will see one by one. Better performance. Better performance while using an ensemble learning is very common and it is useful. So next is handling noisy data. Handling noisy data is nothing but confusion in the model, like making it learn the patterns that aren't useful for the further predictions. So next is generalization. It is nothing but the model generalize, well learn and underlying patterns in the data, not just in memorizing the example. So it will be make a good prediction in the future inputs. Next is overfitting. Overfitting is nothing but when we train a model too well, that includes a noise and irrelevant data also. It leads to poor performance. So it is reduced in ensemble learning. So our next is computational cost. Computational cost is nothing but when we are using the 4 expert at a side, it will increase, definitely it will increase the computational cost. It is one limitation of an ensemble learning. So next we will be seeing the real world applications. So real world application is like there are many more. So from the spam filters to the self-driving cars, ensemble learning is everywhere. It's a hidden orchestra behind the smart decision in the tech. So it is brilliant. So at the conclusion, in the short, ensemble learning is a team power. Whether it's in bagging, boosting, stacking or voting, the key ideas were the same together, the model are stronger. So I hope you like this video and you get some knowledge from this. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.